Okay, so let's make a cylinder. And to make a cylinder, all we have to do is draw a circle and specify the radius, let's say 1.5, and then use the extrude command and raise it up to whatever height we want, let's say another 3, and that is a circle. I mean, that is a cylinder. Um, Another way of doing this is make a rectangle standing up. Okay, and to make a rectangle standing up, we're going to use the 3D poly command, and we're going to specify a bottom side. And I'm going to turn on my ortho, so I can make a 1.5 line on the bottom and then go up and specify the height 3 and then go back on the other side, specify 1.5 and then go down to the very beginning. Okay, press enter to stop. So that's a rectangle standing up. Okay, you can um, you can change this view. You can see it standing up. There you go. Right, so it's standing up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the command called revolve. The revolve command will rotate this on an axis, and after it rotated, it should create us another cylinder. So select that shape, okay, and then press enter, and then it will ask you to define the axis. Okay, so specify the axis by clicking 2 points, and the axis is this bottom point and this bottom point, and then you can now revolve around those 2 points as an axis, and even specify an angle. And we're just going to specify 360 because we want it to go all the way around. Okay, so simply press enter or type 360 to accept 360. There you go. So that's another way of creating a cylinder using the revolve command. Now the revolve command is used when you don't want to make, let's say, um, a full cylinder. If you want to make only a half cylinder, uh, you can, let's just undo, we'll get to the rectangle. So if you type in revolve and select the rectangle, press enter and specify the axis 1, 2. If we only want to do half a cylinder, then we type in 180 here. Okay. So you can also do this by slicing the cylinder in half and you get that, but the revolve command would just be much easier. Another way or another use of this one is, let's say you want to make a cylinder with a hole in the middle. So you do your rectangle standing up. Okay, 3D poly, not rectangle. And then I specify, let's say 1.5, height of 3, going back 1.5, and going back again over here. And then if I wanted to make a hole, then I have to specify how big that hole is from this edge. So let's say I have another uh, a line here. So 3D poly again. And I want my hole to be um, 1 in diameter. So that's a zero point 0.5 radius. So I'm going to type in zero point 0.5 and then go up 3 and then just go back here. Just and then not go down anymore, press enter. So this line here will be my axis and I'm going to have this revolve. Okay, so I'm going to type revolve. I'm going to revolve this object, press enter, but my axis will not be these 2 points. It will be this point and this point, and I want it to go all the way around. So I'm going to type in 360 and press enter. Okay, type in 360 here, press enter. There you go. So now that one has a hole. You still have the polyline here. Okay, that still is not didn't erase, but that's how mainly you want to create a revolve or use a revolve is to rotate objects around the axis, and upon this rotation, it will create for you 3D objects. Okay.